In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an Excel file to a Google form in just 5 minutes. This can be extremely helpful when you're looking to gather data using forms based on existing spreadsheets. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log into your Google account to access all of Google's features. Once you're in your Drive, look for the New button, typically located on the left side of your screen. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose the File Upload option. This is where you will upload the Excel file that you want to convert into a form. Now select your Excel file from your computer and upload it to Google Drive. This may take a moment depending on the size of your file. Once uploaded, locate the file in your Drive and right-click it to open with Google Sheets. In doing so, you'll be prompted to work with the file as a spreadsheet, which is an essential step before you can convert it to a Google form. Next, with your file open in Google Sheets, navigate to the File menu in the top left corner, click on it and select Save as Google Sheets. This conversion ensures that your Excel data is compatible with Google Form functionalities. The next step takes us back to the main Google Drive page. Again, click on the New button and select Google Forms from the drop-down menu. Choose the option to create a blank form, which will serve as the canvas for importing your questions and data. Once you've opened a blank form, the first step is to name your form. Consider using a title that reflects the content or purpose of the data for easy reference. Following this, you'll need to add questions to your form. Review your spreadsheet and create questions based on the columns or data you want to collect in form responses. After setting up your questions, click on Publish to ensure that your form is live and ready to collect responses. To manage those responses, navigate to the Responses tab within your Google form. Here you'll find all the interactions once participants start filling out the form. In this same Responses tab, you have the option to click on More Options, represented by 3 dots. Select Destination for Responses from the drop-down menu. You'll then have the opportunity to select Existing Spreadsheet, which means the responses will log directly into the spreadsheet you just created from your Excel file. Click Select and from the list choose your Excel file that was saved as a Google Sheet. Finally, confirm by clicking View in Sheets. Here you can see how the form responses connect directly to the spreadsheet you just configured, making data collection streamlined and efficient.